Hi guys, today I'll show you how I made these pearl flowers. We need the following materials: white polymer clay, small round cutters, teardrop cutters, acrylic roller, paintbrush, I forgot to record it, seashell to texture, gloves, Jacquard Parallax pigment powder, and Jacquard Parallax varnish, which I'll show later. Take a sheet of white polymer clay with medium thickness and use the two sizes of teardrop shape cutters to cut petals out of the clay. Cut two smaller and two bigger rounds. Peel off the excess clay. Lift the petals using a blade without distorting their shape. Now take one petal and place it over the seashell. Gently press the petal over the seashell so its texture will be imprinted on the petal. Lift it off carefully. Wear gloves to prevent fingerprints on the clay. Texture all the petals by repeating the same steps. Make sure that you don't overpress the clay on the seashell because the clay might stick to the seashell, and when we lift it, it will be distorted. Texture all the bigger and smaller petals, 8 each. Take a small portion of Parallax pigment, brush it over all the petals. You will need only a small portion of the pigment. Gently remove all the petals from the tail. First place the small rounds on the tail. Now place all the petals on the round base one by one. Flower has 4 petals. Gently press at the center using a ball tool. You can use Sculpey Bake and Bond or liquid clay or any clay glue for better adhering. Slightly shape all the petals near the corner to give them a realistic petal look. I am now shaping the smaller petals first and then forming a flower. Whichever way is easier, follow that. Flowers are done. I am placing this bead cap with a small clay ball at the center over the center of the flower. I am using a needle tool to texture the center portion of the flower. This is the Parallax varnish. These are baked flowers. I already assembled them. I suggest using varnish before assembling. I was in a hurry, so I did this way. Give one-sided strokes neatly over all the petals. Pearl X varnish is a glossy varnish. It will dry within 30 minutes. Varnish it 3 to 4 times after each coat is dried for better protection. Varnishing stuff will protect the pigment from rubbing off from the surface. See, backside is smooth and neat. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of these in comments.